Hi there, welcome back to EmpowrSoft's training video. In this video, you'll learn how to create custom fields inside EmpowrSoft. Custom fields allow you to tailor your contact database to meet your unique business needs, making it easy to track the information that matters most to you and your team. Here's how. Navigate to Settings, then click Custom Fields. Click Add Field. Select the field type you want to create, example, text, dropdown, date. Fill in the field, details such as name, group, and placeholder text. Here's a tip. Clear labels help your team know exactly what information to input. Click Save. Your new custom field is now ready to use.